What's up, YouTube? Today, we are going fishing at Jensen Pond, trying to get some good fish. My goal today is to try to catch a lake trout for you guys. I know a lake trout at a pond sounds a little fishy, but you know, they're here. It's true. My goal today is to try to get you guys a lake trout. I'll let you know if it happens. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, as you can see, I am fishing today at Jensen Pond trying to catch you a lake trout for the viewers. Hi Noah! My friend Noah's over there talking to me. I'm gonna stay over here. I'm gonna stay over here. Okay guys, it's an hour or two later. We've not caught anything. It's been a slow day. As you can see, we are at a different spot on the pond now. This is like our third spot, I think. It's been a slow day. Nothing wants to bite. I'll update you guys if we catch anything. Other than that, I think it's gonna be a short video. Something, when the fish aren't biting, I like to do this. That was fun, guys. It's probably another hour or two later, and I haven't caught one fish. They're just not biting today. I'm gonna go home and I'll do something there for the vid. Okay guys, I'm back home. Fishing was a total bust. I caught nothing, but I got a SpongeBob popsicle. This was a TikTok trend to try to find the best one, and I'm gonna see if I can find it. Oh no. He is not perfect. He's got his eyes missing. Well, better luck next time. Get back in the package. Stupid SpongeBob. See you guys later. Well, in a minute, I'm gonna make some brownies. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are gonna be doing something. Let me just try and grab it. We got brownies. Brownies. I'm gonna do a cooking segment because I told my brothers I would make them brownies. Yes, my annoying little brothers. Oh, shoot. Sorry. Raspberries are my favorite fruit in the world. Ah. I got the best one in the world. Okay, so first thing we gotta do, start cooking the thing. Oh, coffee maker went off. Okay. First of all, our first plan is eat all the raspberries. Then get a pan. Mr. Pan. Mr. Pan. 1 second. Let me find a pan. I think I'll make them in this one. I don't really even know. Let's see. 13x9. I think that will work. If not, these might explode out. So, anyways. Okay, first step. Preheat oven to 350 and spray bottom pan with Spam. Wait, I don't think I have to do that. I don't think you have to do that with glass. Yeah, let's not lose that. I don't know. I don't think you have to, so I'm not going to do it. Step 2, spread brownies, mix oil, eggs, and water and water. Eggs. All it tells me is get eggs. Eggs.
phone case. I'll see you guys in a minute. I need to go do something.
Okay, guys. I got a new angle because, yeah, we needed to. So we could, you know, mix. Mix and mix and mix. Hold on, guys. I might be another second. Because I have to hurry and try to find something to hold this down. What can I use with that? It's not glass to hold my phone down. This sucks. Guys, this is really hard what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. We got it. Hello. Okay, we're gonna mix. We're gonna come over here with this thing, and we are gonna do this. Sorry, my brother is grabbing something off the counter, so you might see something.
You think you went to the toast?
I don't know. You gotta go.
No.
Okay. Okay. 1 second. We'll pour in a minute. Okay, guys. We're ready to pour. Let's start pouring these brownies. Okay, just pouring all the brownie mix out of this stupid pan. Okay, I'm just gonna hurry and whip all of this out. Sorry, there's just a little more that I can get, and then try to get. Okay. Okay. Now, I am going to take something out of the oven. You get something out of the oven. Because I made some garlic bread before, because I'm going to have pasta for dinner. It's my time to make dinner. Okay. You should see this. This. And we're gonna go put it in the oven. Oh, you guys are back. I think I put them on the bottom rack. Okay, and then it says to wait. Okay, I'll just wait a little bit and then I'll tell you guys when they're ready. Beep, beep. Guess what time it is? Sorry, my flash is on for some reason. But I'm not restarting the video, so. Yeah, I swear we have a tool for this. Swear I have a tool for this. No. I don't even know where my toothpicks are. Toothpicks! Are you in there? No. Okay, 1 second. Okay, ready? We're gonna check these bubbling brownies. I don't know. Let's go ask my mom.
Sorry to interrupt. I just want to know what the sushi is.
Does this look good? Does this look good? That's how much came off.
How long did you cook them for?
Like 23 minutes.
Yeah, I would just take them out and let them sit.
Okay, well, guys, they're good. They're good.
No!
Farmer.
Yo!
Okay. I'm gonna grab the brownies.
Brownies. I'm gonna eat the first one. I ate the first one, Josh. And also that's the first one.
Okay, guys, I got them out. They're kind of bubbling. Let's test them one more time. Guys, they look good. So let them cool, and then we'll eat them. Okay, see you guys in a minute. This is what they look like. Okay, guys, the brownies are done. 1 second wide dish. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I posted 2 videos today because I haven't posted for a while, and I just felt like it. So, thank you so much. Have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a good day. Subscribe, leave a like, and yeah, see you later.